So check out these financial results for 2021. And this company grew gross merchandise value 87% year over year. They grew revenues 80% year over year. Their gross profit is up 110% year over year. Their adjusted EBITDA is up 157% year over year. These numbers are absolutely phenomenal. For 2022, their guidance looks strong as well. GMV looks to be near $2.5 billion on the high end, revenue of over $400 million. Things are looking good for this business. We can safely say that the growth that this company has seen in 2021 wasn't just a short-term thing. It looks like it's continuing here into 2022. In fact, we jump over to the ticker platform here. We can see that analyst estimates through 2026 show this company is continuing its rapid growth for the foreseeable future, with free cash flow growth also following closely behind. What is this company? How are they growing so fast? What industry are they in? Is their stock looking attractive today? Well, we have a lot to discuss in this video. I think it's going to be an exciting one, and it's a company I haven't talked about on this channel before. So sit back, relax, hit the like button, subscribe, and if you want to talk about stocks like this with me and other members in the community, check out our VIP group. You have access to a Discord. You can chat with us all day long. So this company, guys, is called GLBE. The ticker symbol is GLBE, and it's a business that helps companies grow their international sales quickly and easily to over 200 destinations using their platform that has end-to-end cross-border solutions. They have a simple platform that allows companies to offer international customers a more localized experience, leading to a more customized experience and a higher potential for the business actually closing the sale. So think of it this way, if you're a company that operates in the US, you want to start selling in France, right? You want to ideally offer that website in French, you want to offer it in euros, you don't want to have it in US dollars and in English because you're going to lose a lot of potential customers that way. So with this platform, you're able to offer a localized French version of the website, increasing the potential for customer satisfaction, increasing the potential for someone actually making a purchase on your website. So I think it's a pretty compelling company. They're in the e-commerce space here, enabling e-commerce businesses to offer this globally. And I think they have a huge path of growth ahead of them. So this right now is only a $5.8 billion company. And since it's fairly new to the public markets, it does carry some risk in terms of volatility, but it's setting up to be, in my opinion, a very strong multi-bagger long term. It's also quite an under the radar stock. A lot of people don't know about this business yet. So there's potential to really build a nice position here at reasonable prices. I know that enterprise value to sales is a metric everyone wants to hear about these days. We can see that, this business sits at around a 13x right now, which, to be honest, considering how fast it's growing, is quite attractive. This is also a very sticky business, one of the most stickiest businesses I've probably ever seen, because they currently have a 152% net dollar retention rate, meaning that the customers spend 52% more with them year over year, and that shows how valuable the platform they provide is and how useful companies find their services. Net dollar retention is a great metric for SaaS type businesses to show how, useful the product is really. It shows how much existing customers actually spend with the platform. If it's under 100%, that means the customers are actually not spending as much. They're actually cutting costs year over year. But if it's over 100%, that means they're actually adding services and expanding and maybe new add-ons or whatever that GLBE provides. Customers are willing to pay for that because they see the value there. So it's obvious to me with 152% net retention, this company is doing something right. Now, if I'm being completely honest here, I think this company has a very high chance of actually getting acquired by a bigger e-commerce type business. Someone like Shopify could definitely be a strong contender for taking over this company. But for the sake of a potential massive multi-bagger long term, I really hope that does not happen. For now though, they are partnered with Shopify. They announced it in their recent quarterly report, and they're working on some sort of integration with them, which is huge for GLBE because it opens them up to a massive customer base which uses Shopify. And what I find really interesting about this company, like I mentioned, is that they work with both small businesses and larger well-known companies as well. Some larger ones include, Hugo Boss, Forever 21, Sennheiser. These are worldwide brands that offer products all around the world. So for them to come to a company like GLBE, which is still fairly small, still fairly new, kind of still in its growth phase, shows that they have confidence that their service that they offer will provide them some massive value. So they're willing to spend on this company. And because they have such a wide range of customers from these small businesses to massive brands, it means their TAM really for acquiring these businesses is huge, meaning that this company, again, like I said before, has good potential to be a multi-bagger. So guys, this is just a quick video kind of introducing you to GLBE. Again, a business that I haven't talked about on the channel before, I don't really see too many videos about, but I think it's quite a compelling growth story that you need to keep an eye on, especially if you like the e-commerce space. And I actually would not be surprised in the next 5-10 years that this is kind of a $25 to $30 billion company, which at today's valuation of around $5 billion would be a pretty nice return. Anyways guys, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button as always. Let me know your thoughts on GLBE in the comments down below. Are there any red flags that you see about this company? Is this the first time you're hearing about it? Does it interest you? Love to hear all of that and more down below. Anyways, thank you so much for watching guys. Don't forget to invest positively and I'll see you in the next one.